So this is how you can actually add someone to your page to manage your page or for advertising purposes. So you want to come over to your Facebook home or news feed. So this is mine. This is my name. And so what you want to do next is that you want to go over to the page that you want to add someone to. So over here actually when it says your shortcut, you can see like some list of these pages that you can add someone to. But let's just take the long route. Let's just take the long route. So over here you can see friends pages. So click on pages, and under pages you manage, you are going to see a list of the pages that you manage, the list of pages that you have. So let's say that I want to add someone to this page, to this page. So I'm just going to click on it. So you can see it brought me here already. It brought me here already. So what I'm going to do next is that I'm going to come over to this section where it says manage pages and profiles, right? So I'm going to come over here, I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to click on settings. So I'm just going to wait for it to load. So once I have clicked on settings, then I'm just going to scroll over and then click on page roles basically. So now, page roles, you can see section community managers and assign a new page role. So we are going to assign a new page role to someone. So let's say I want to add a friend of mine, Oladotun Ajayi. So you'll be required to actually firstly be a friend of the person. You have to be a friend of the person you want to add to the page. So you have to be a friend of that person. So either the person sends a friend request to you or you send a friend request to the person. So you need to be a friend request. Sorry, you need to be a friend with the person you want to add. So after then you type in the name of the person here. Ola Dotun. So you can see it has already is already here. So you can see Oladotun Ajayi. So I'm just going to click on it, and then where it says editor over here, you want to change it to admin, right? And then after that just click on add. So then you must enter your Facebook password for this to actually be done. So what you just want to do is enter your Facebook password and then click on submit, and that's just basically it. So enter your Facebook password here and click on submit. The person is going to get a notification from his own end, and once he gets a notification, he will be able to accept, and that's just it. So yeah, before I also go, sometimes your page might not show, like it might not be as straightforward as this. It might not be as straightforward as this. Facebook has something that is called classic pages and um, a new a new something something new experience. So your page, when you come to your page, it might not be as straightforward as this. So it might actually be like this. So you see here where it's just manage page, but over here it's saying manage pages and profile. So if you come to your page and then it is something like this, so you can already see a prompt here that is telling you to switch into leaving LD's page to take more action. So just click on switch. Then you'll be required to actually switch to a profile that has Facebook access. So here, where your profile picture is, click on it, then click on see all profiles. Then you now have to go to that page, like that page's own. So it has already been highlighted, leaving LD. So click on it. It's just going to load. So now that you have seen that, once you have seen that this page has loaded, then you now just want to come over here where it says professional dashboard inside, click on settings, right? So yeah, it is actually named new pages experience. It is, so this is a new page experience. So we are not supposed to come to settings rather. So click on professional dashboard rather. Yeah. So once you've clicked on professional dashboard, so you can scroll where it's under the section where it says professional dashboard. Scroll down and click on page access, right? Page access, and then click on add new, where it says people with Facebook access. Click on add new, and then next. Then you have to type in the name of the person that you want to add. So I'm still going to use Oladoto Ajayi as an example. So click on this, then allow this person to actually have full control, right? And then click on give access. So you also be required to input your Facebook password just to confirm it for security purposes. Once you've done that, click on confirm and you are actually good to go. So there are two types of pages. This type where you just come over to the page, it is the classic page type. You can actually see everything. Or the new pages experience where you have to switch over, right? You have to switch over to that page in order to be able to manage it. So once you have done this, you actually need to switch back to your Facebook account, because if you go to the feed over here, if you come to like the news feed over here, you can see this is not like your personal profile. This is the page's profile. So you have to switch back to your own personal what's it called, your personal profile. So come over here again, and then you can see already switch to Emmanuel Bojuwe. This is my own personal account, so click on switch, and then it's going to switch back to my personal account over here. So that's basically how you can add an admin to your page, either classic page or new pages experience.